Hey YouTube, it's Naim Nappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. So this week I'm going to be featuring the herb Bhringraj. Now Bhringraj is known in the Ayurvedic community as the king of herbs. Well, why? Because it possesses so many benefits such as preventing hair loss, promoting hair growth, stopping premature graying, so getting rid of dandruff and any skin infections, and promoting a healthy scalp. All right, some of its other benefits, and I'll name 3 of them and then we'll move on. So the first one is that it contains hepatoprotective activity, which means that it helps prevent liver damage. So, it also helps fight liver infections. So if you are having such issues, you can definitely talk to your doctor about using this particular herb. Another benefit that it has is that it possesses many antimicrobial benefits. So Bhringraj is said to kill staph infections, E. coli, and a range of other microbial infections. You can see the full list on my blog post. And the third thing I want to talk about is that it possesses antimalarial activity. So it actually helps to kill and destroy larvae, mosquito larvae, and other type of bug larvae. So I'll definitely, again, leave all of that research for you guys on my blog. So now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and get to mixing our oil to use for our wonderful hair benefits. Begin with the double boiler method and use 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Next, add 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then I add about 2 tablespoons of castor oil. I let all the oils emulsify together until they are completely liquefied. Next, I'll add 1/3 cup of Bhringraj powder, and then about 2 tablespoons of amla powder. I'll go ahead and mix and let this warm up for about 45 minutes. I'll go ahead and set this aside and let the oil infuse for 24 to 48 hours. All right, so now that our oil is made, I just put a section out and put it in here. All right, you want to let this oil sit and marinate for 24 to 48 hours before use, and then I like to just heat it up in a water bath and give myself a hot oil treatment. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp and then give myself a scalp massage. Just for reference, I am using my snappy hair ties for this crazy puff of mine, and I will link down below where I got these snappy hair ties from if you're interested. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp and tell you all the other benefits. So Bhringraj is rich in many vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E, vitamin D, magnesium, calcium, and iron. It also contains antioxidant properties that help fight free radicals from the sun and the environment. In one study, an Ayurvedic formulation containing Bhringraj powder was said to bring eczema into complete remission with a low percentage of reoccurrence of the disease. Another benefit of Bhringraj is that it helps slow down or prevent the graying process. Gray hair is commonly understood as a loss of pigment or melanin, and Bhringraj is said to help produce more melanin and help darken up the hair, making the hair appear less gray. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on for an hour. You can actually leave this on your hair longer if you wanna use it midweek. I recommend using it a minimum of 2 times per week. If if you want to see some growth benefits and hair loss benefits as well. And I will go ahead and shampoo and wash this out of my hair. I will be showing you guys how I do that, but that will be another video for later in the week. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. I will be using some more Ayurvedic herbs in my wash day videos, so you definitely want to go ahead and follow. And you guys, as well, on my Instagram, I am hosting a giveaway for this week, and it ends on Sunday at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So definitely go check that out. I'm giving away 15 products, including most of the herbs that I featured and have featured on my YouTube page. So definitely go check me out and follow me on there. And I'll see you guys next time for another Tip Tuesday. Bye.